Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I want to review the healing power of guava leaf. This is guava leaf. This is a dry guava leaf. Guava leaf is believed to possess numerous healing properties which include heart health, digestive health, stress reduction, blood sugar management, diabetes management, weight management. It also helps to balance the hormone. It helps with infertility, endometriosis. It also helps with cyst menstruation. It helps with painful menstruation. It helps with oral health. It helps to grow the hair, skin health. It does a lot. So let me show you the best way to use guava leaf to achieve numerous things. If you are on a weight loss journey, you need guava leaf for fast results. Use the dry one, as I've said. Handful of the dry guava leaf to the pot. You add a teaspoon of your cloves and you add ginger with 2 cups of water. You boil for 30 minutes. You take it to 1 cup in the morning before breakfast, 1 cup before you sleep. Do it for 1 month and stop. Guava leaf is super active. Please don't exceed 1 month if you want to lose weight. If you want to balance your hormone, get a handful of your dry guava leaf. Please use the dry one. You will get fast results. Add it to the pot. Get fresh carrot, scrape the back, slice it, add it to the pot. You add your ginger. Boil with 2 cups of water. Drink 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup at night. 1 month, it will help you balance your hormone. If you are taking it for infertility, you get your guava leaf. Add a handful of your guava leaf, then a teaspoon of your cloves. You add ginger, you add turmeric. Turmeric help with anti-inflammatory and help with bloating. Boil with 2 cups of water. Drink it 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup at night. Please take it together with your partner if you're trying to conceive. It also helps men with erectile dysfunction, and also help to treat infertility in men. If you are taking it for cyst menstruation, you need a handful of guava leaf, cloves, and ginger. You boil. It will help to push out those things that are blocking or stopping your period from flowing. If you are taking it for endometriosis, handful of your guava leaf, handful of your soursop leaf. I'll drop the picture of soursop leaf here. You add it to the pot. You add your ginger. Boil it. It will help you treat endometriosis. For painful menstruation, boil guava leaf, boil your ginger and your cloves. Take it. It will help you treat painful menstruation. Instead of taking pain relief, do guava leaf tea and drink. For your oral health, chew the fresh guava leaf. It will freshen your breath. For wound healing, extract the juice of the fresh guava leaf. Use it to clean your wound. For face health, for glowing of the face, squeeze out the juice of the fresh guava leaf. You use it to mask your face. It will reveal a glowing looking face. People with fibroid can take it. If you have fibroid, boil guava leaf, mix it with soursop leaf, ginger and turmeric. Boil and drink. It helps with fibroid. So guys, if you have any question regarding to this video, to this guava leaf, just drop it on the comment section below. If you have a suggestion for me, please do. I will welcome your idea. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please support me. Subscribe and be part of this amazing amazing channel. I do video on health, on fertility, on weight loss. Oh, you'll be so happy to be part of this amazing family. Thank you for watching. I will see you in some other time. Bye.